Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Charaka Samhita Indriya Sthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 1 Varnaswariyam Indriyam Adhyaya. Fatal signs in complexion and voice. Adhado Varnaswariyam Indriyam Vyakyasyamaha. Idihasmaha Bhagavanatrayaha. Now we shall expand the chapter Varnaswariyam Indriyam. Fatal signs in complexion and voice. Thus said Lord Atreya. Note, this chapter deals with normal and abnormal color, complexion, voice in a person, which especially relies on two, Indriya, visual and auditory faculty. Factors for assessment of residual span of life. The following entities should be examined by the physician desiring to assess the residual span of life of the patient using direct observation and inference, such as Ihagalu varnascha swarascha gandhascha rasascha sparshascha chakshusascha srotram cha granam cha rasanam cha sparshanam cha. Physical appearance, complexion, appearance of eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, including attributes perceived by senses, voice, smell, taste, touch, etc. Sattvam cha bhaktischa shaucham cha, behavioral trait, mood, upkeep, conduct, etc. Sheelam cha acharascha, smritischa agradischa, pragratischa, vikritischa, balam cha, glanischa, medha cha harshascha, rauksham cha snehascha, tantra cha arambascha, gauravam cha laghavam cha, gunascha aharascha, viharascha, ahara parinamascha, ubhayascha, vyadischa, व्याधिपूर्वरूपं च वेदनाश्च उपद्रवाश्च छाया च प्रतिछाया च स्वप्नदर्शनं च. Dietary habits and lifestyle, regimens, ability to digest, etc. Existing health condition, sign of disease, symptom, complication, upadrava, drug use, effect of medicine on illness and on patient. दूधादिघारश्च पदि च औत्पादिकं च आधुरकुले भावा अवस्था अन्तराणि च भेषज संवृत्तिश्च भेषज विकारयुक्तिश्च इति परीक्ष्याणि प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान उपदेशैः आयुषः प्रमाण अवशेषं निज्ञासमानेन विषज. Bad omens perceived by the physician on his way to patient's house, changed condition of patient's residence, signs and symptoms indicating the residual span of life may be evident on this factor. Hence, physician should pay careful attention to each one of them and interpretation should be made based on his observation, knowledge and scripture advice. तत्र तु गल्वेषां परीक्ष्याणां कानिचित् पुरुषमनाश्रितानि कानिचिच्च पुरुषसंश्रयाणि तत्र यानि पुरुषमनाश्रितानि तानि उपदेशतो युक्तिश्च परीक्षेत पुरुषसंश्रयाणि पुनः प्रकृतितो विकृतितश्च. Some of the signs and symptoms are not apparent in a patient but can be observed in the surrounding of the patient. These are evaluated by logic based on scripture instruction and inference. The factors not observed in patients are often circumstantial, like an informer, Duda, who comes with the news of patient and the bad or good omen seen by the physician. Those which can be seen in patients are examined by observing their constitution and morbid condition. But all these factors should be assessed wisely in the quest for the life of the patient. Factors responsible for natural constitution, Prakriti. Tatra Prakritihi, Jadi Prasaktascha, Kula Prasaktascha, Desha Anupadinicha, Kala Anupadinicha, Vayo Anupadinicha, Pratyatmani Yada Chedi, Jadi Kula Desha Kala Vayaha, Pratyatmani Yada Hi, Tesham Purishanam Te Bhava Vishesha Bhavanti. The natural constitution of a person depends upon jati, origin as per social structure, kula wise, desha place, kala time and season, vaya age, pratyatma niyata, individual habits and habitat. The different variations seen in person are based upon their origin as per social structure, jati, race kula, desha place of living, season kala, age vaya and individual habits. Pratyatma niyata. Types of pathological abnormalities. विकृतिः पुनर्लक्षणनिमित्ताच्च लक्ष्यनिमित्ताच्च निमित्त अनुरूपाच्च. The pathological conditions vikriti are classified as lakshana nimitta, pathologic appearance based on symptom. Lakshya nimitta, disease based upon an etiological factor. Nimitta anurupa, this type of pathology is based on signs resembling with etiological factor. 1. Symptom based abnormality, lakshana nimitta. तत्र लक्षणनिमित्ता नाम सा यस्याः शरीरे लक्षणानि एव हेतुभूतानि भवन्ति दैवात्. The first type of pathological conditions are based on symptom, whose causative factors are predetermined by destiny in the form of physiognomic signs. लक्षणानि हि कानि शरीर उपनिबद्धानि भवन्ति, यानि हि तस्मिन् काले तत्र अधिष्ठानमासाद्य तां विकृतिम् उत्पादयन्ति. Some of these signs may be latent in the body and appear at particular time in particular parts of body, giving rise to particular related morbid condition. Etiopathogenesis based abnormality, lakshya nimitta tu sa yasya उपलभ्यते निमित्तं यथोक्तं निधानेषु. Second type of pathological condition are based on etiological factor which appear as per the etiopathogenesis described in Nidhanasthana section. 3. Cause based abnormality, nimitta anurupa. Nimitta anurupa tu nimitta artha anukariniya tam animittam nimittam ayushah. The third type of pathological condition is based upon the factor that resemble etiological factor, but in fact they are not etiological factors in nature. Pramana jnanasya ichchandi, vishaja boyasya ayushaha, kshaya nimittam predalinga anurupa. It appears without any apparent cause and indicate the measure of the lifespan, particularly the signs of imminent death due to decadence of life. याम आयुषो अंतर्गतस्य ज्ञानार्थम उपदिशन्ति धीरा. The physician paid due importance to this for the knowledge of life and death. याम च अधिकृत्य पुरुष संश्रयाणि मुमूर्षदां लक्षणानि उपदेक्ष्यामः. Based on this, I will explain the signs observed in the person which indicate his imminent death. इति उद्देशः. तं विस्तरेण अनुव्याख्यास्यामः. This is the summary and we shall explain this in detail. Normal complexion. Tatradita eva varna adhikaraha tadyada krishnah shyamah shyama avadhadaha avadhadaschedi prakriti varnaha sharirasya bhavanti. There are 4 types of natural complexion. Varna: Krishna black, Shyama dark, Shyama avadhada dark fair, avadhada fair white. Yamscha abharan upekshyamano vidyat anukto anyathavadi nirdishyamanam tachaihi. There may be some more complexions with combination of such colors. Abnormal complexion. Neela, Shyava, Tamra, Harita, Shuklascha Varnaha, Sharirasya Vaikharika Bhavanti. The unnatural or pathological complexions include Neela blue, Shyava blackish, Tamra coppery, Harita green and Shukla snow white. Yamscha abharanupekshamano vidyat prak vighritan bhutva utpannan. Similarly, there are some other unnatural types of complexion which appear suddenly for unknown reason. Iti prakriti vikriti varna bhavanti uktaha sharirasya. These are the normal and abnormal complexions of body. Tatra prakriti varnam ardha sharire vikriti varnam ardha sharire dvavapi varno mayat maryada vibhaktau drishtva. Yadyevam savya dakshina vibhagena yadyevam purva paschima vibhagena. Yadyuttara adhara vibhagena yad andha bahir vibhagena adurasya arishtamiti vidya एवमेव वर्णभेदो मुखे अपि अन्यत्र वर्तमानो मरणाय भवति. Normal complexion, that is Prakriti Varna, in one half of the body, and abnormal complexion, Vikriti Varna, in other half, and both are demarcated clearly by a line. Same abnormality on left, Dakshina, right side, Paschima of body, front and back side of body, upper and lower, or internal Anda and Behi external parts of body is considered Arishta. Such demarcation abnormality on face and other parts too indicates death. Varnabhedena glani harsha rauksha sneha vyakyadaha. On the same line of Varnabhedena, differentiation of complexion, glani malice, and harsha cheerfulness, roughness rauksha, and sneha unctuousness are described. Tadha pippali, pippalu, vyanga, tilakalaga, pidaka nama, anyatamasya, anena, janmadurasya, eva prashastam vidyat. Similarly, sudden appearance of piplu, acne, vyanga pigmented skin, tilakalaga mole, pidaga boil on face of the patient is inauspicious. Naga, Nayana, Badhana, Mutra, Purisha, Hastapada, Oshtadishu Abhi, Cha Vaikarigoptaram, Varnanam Anyathamasya, Pradurbhavo, Hina, Balavarna Indriyeshu, Lakshana Mayushaha, Kshayasaha Bhavadi. Sudden appearance of any one of the abnormal color, Naga nails, Nayana eyes, Vadana face, Mutra urine, Purisha stool, Hasta hands, Padav legs, and Oshta lips together with Hina bala, diminished strength, Varna complexion, and Indriya senses indicate imminent death. Yacha anyadhavi, Kinchit Varna Vaigradam Abhuda Purvam, Sahasa Utpadyet Animittameva. हीयमानस्य आधुरस्य शश्वत् तदरिष्टमिति विद्यात् इति वर्ण अधिकारः. Such are the abnormal complexions too that appear suddenly for the first time without any apparent cause in the patient with constant deterioration of health are signs of death. So Varna can be classified into two, Prakriti, Vikriti. Prakriti Varnas are four, Krishna Shyama, Shyama Avadhadaha, Avadhada. Vikriti Varnas are five, Neela, Shyava, Tamra, Harida, Shukla. Normal and abnormal voice. Swaradhigarastu, Hamsa, Krauncha, Nemi, Dunduba, Kalavinga, Kaga, Kabodha, Jarjara, Anukaraha, Prakriti Swara Bhavanti. Yamscha Abharanubekshemano Abhi, Vidyat, Anukatho Anyatha Va Abhi, Nirdishyamanam Tattaihi. Normal human voice resembles the voice of Hamsa, Swan, Krauncha, Demoiselle crane, Nemi wheel, Dundubi kettle drum, Kalavinka house sparrow, Kaga crow, Kabodha dove and Charchara, a type of drum. Edaga Kalagrasta, Avyakta Gadgada Kshama, Veena Anukirna tu Adhuranam, Swara Vaikharika Bhavanti. Yamscha Abharanubekshemano Abhi, Vidyat Prak Vikridan Anubudo Utpannan. Idi Prakriti Vikriti Swara Vyakyada Bhavanti. Edaga Kalagrasta, the voice of person with disease, resembles that of sheep, and is Avyakta, feeble, inaudible, Kshama, weak, Deena, poor, Anukirna, hoarse, Adhurana, painful, and Gadgada, stammering. Thus, normal and abnormal voices are described. Tatra Prakriti Vaikhariganam, Swaranam, Ashwabhi, Nivrittihi. Swaran Egatvam Ekasya, Cha Anegatvam Aprashastam. Idi Swara Adhikaraha. Idi Varna Swara Adhikaro, Yadhavaduktav, Mumurshadam, Lakshana Jnanarthamiti. If the abnormal and inauspicious voices occur suddenly, or rhythm, tone, pitch, resonance, and frequency of voice changes on sudden onset, it is inauspicious. Various fatal signs in complexion. Bhavanti cha atra yasya vaikhariko varnaha sharira upapadyate. Ardeva yadiva kritsane nimittam na cha nasti saha. If Vaikarika Varnam occurs in half part of the body or whole part of the body, this is not due to Vadadi Dosha Kopa. Neelam Va Yadi Va Shyavam Tamram Va Yadi Va Arunam. Mugardam Anyatha Varno. Mugardam Arishtam Uchyade. If half of the face there is Neelam blue, Shyavam blackish, Tamram coppery or Arunam tawny color, and the color of the remaining half is otherwise. Sneho Mughardam Suvyakto Rauksham Ardhamugha Brisham. Manifestation of anxiousness or sneha in one half of face and roughness of Rauksh in other half is inauspicious. Glanirarde tada harsho mukharde predelection. Appearance of glani or malice in one half of face and harsha cheerfulness in other half. Tilagaha, Piplava, Vyanga, Raja, Yascha, Pradak Vidaha, Adurasya, Ashu Jayande Mukhe Pranan Mumukshadaha. Spontaneous appearance of various type of tila, black mold, piplo, port white bark, Bianca freckles, Raji spot-like mustard in the face of the patient. Pushpani nagadandeshu, pango va danda samsridaha, churnago va abhidandeshu, lakshanam maranasya tat. Appearance of flower, pushpa, like spots in nail, naga, teeth, danda, sticky, panga, and churnago, powdery substance over teeth is an indicator of death. Oshtayoho, padayoho, panyoho, akshanayoho, mutra purishayoho, nageshu abhi, cha vaivarnyam, edat, kshina bale andakrit. Vaivarnyam discoloration of oshtayoho lips, padayoho legs, panyo heels, akshano eyes, mutra urine, purishayoho stool, and nage nails of the patient are indicator of diminished strength. Yasya Neela Ubhavoštau, Pakva Jambava Sannibhau, Mumurshariddhi, Tam Vidya Naro, Dhiro Gadayusham. When both the lips become bluish like ripe fruits of Jambu, Jambava, Pakva Jambava Sannibhau. This is a clear indication of death. Ego Vayadiva, Anego Yasya, Vaikarigaha Swaraha, Sahasotpadhyade, Jando Hiyamanaha, Nasti Saha. In a patient who is very much weak due to Ojakshaya, immune depletion, along with any changes occur in voice, either as single problem ego or multiple issues anega, that indicates death. Yachanyat abhi kinchit syat vaikrada swara varnayoho balamamsa vihinasya tat sarvam maranodayam. In chronic immune deficient person, there is all possibility of Dhatu Sara Heenada, that is severe wasting of tissue, can lead to abnormal voice. Such other abnormalities in voice and complexion of an individual who is devoid of strength and flesh also indicate imminent death. Summary. Tatra slogaha idi varnaswara uktau lakshanartham mumurshadam yastau samyak vijanadi nayur sa muhyadi. Thus the fatal signs related with complexion of voice are described. One who knows the details of these facts will not be confused in knowing lifespan of patient. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.